to put the record straight. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not saying that he will not enter defense. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, under what law are you charging me? Going by the Constitution, there is no charge against him. That tell me the law, that the court should tell him the law upon which he's been tried. Now, my Lord is on his own saying that whatever thing that you have to say should be ruled at the final written address, and it should be upon a conviction to know whether you are supposed to be convicted or not. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said no. There are thresholds, there are hurdles upon which you need to cross for you to reach at that particular issue. And one fundamental issue there is that my Lord said, we are talking about issue of extraordinary rendition, the way you have been brought back from Kenya to Nigeria. And he wants somebody to come and give evidence on that. There is nothing before him. And if you watch the motion Mazi Nnamdi Kanu filed, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, Federal High Court has given a judgment in respect of that, and also awarded 500 million naira against federal government in his favor. That judgment is in the court file. Court of Appeal, in their judgment, also gave a ruling on that and made comment about that. CTC of that judgment is in the court file. Supreme Court, in their judgment, also took judicial notice of that and they condemned that attitude. They are all in court file. There was a motion challenging the decision of the court where these issues are being raised, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu made reference of the motion in the court file.
Yes.
And under the Evidence Act, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is saying that under the law, court is under obligation to take judicial notice of every document in your file.
Yes.
So asking him now to go and enter into a defense and start giving evidence on that is a waste of time.
Yes.
That court is on its own supposed to take Somoto raise this issue.
Yeah.
Court is expected to raise this issue. Now there is a charge before me. Please, under what law? Address me on this issue before I go into trial. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu filed a motion, and I think that motion, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that motion should be heard, and all this issue I raised should be trashed for me to go into trial. So defense. And into defense. So my Lord, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu maintain his position on that. So my Lord said that he has joined to tomorrow for him to enter defense. Just like we said, we are no longer into the matter, but we are still he's still consulting us. I am saying so on handling his matter in court. He felt that he's competent to do that. So whatever advice he needs from us as his lawyer, we should also offer the legal advice, just to get the record straight, so that people will not say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu refused to enter defense. No. There is no such issue. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, address me on this issue.
Okay. The honorable member here would like to say.
Representing Nnamdi Kanu.
My name